4 is KKR, so it's a black wire with a red head. Number 5, KR with a white head. Number 6, black red wire with a black head. Number 7, black wire with a black head. Number 8, black red wire with a red head. But before you install the 7th screw, which is secured at the scanner's hinge, let's take a look of the scanner's hinge. The top of the hinge should fit like this. Do it a few times until you get it. And then it becomes your second nature, and just you can fit it right in and close the scanner, and it will lock in place. Say it again. You need to bend back the scanner a little bit. So you need to bend it back a little bit. Okay, there we go. And now it snaps.